Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. In this video, I'm going to be sharing an opportunity to earn KAITO for your yaps. All you will need to do is yap about a project called Basis OS. I'm going to be giving you an overview of what the project is about. In particular, you will need to yap about their Mindshare mining program, which Basis OS has. It allows you to earn the Basis airdrop for yapping about the Basis OS ecosystem. At the same time, if you submit your contributions to this campaign, which is open on Yap Market, you'll be earning KAITO. So Yap Market is a portal for Yap opportunities. It's powered by KAITO. So generally, when you onboard on Yap Market, the assumption is that you have an account on KAITO already. So first off, you want to onboard on KAITO with your X account. KAITO tracks your social contributions on X, whether posts or replies relating to different Web3 projects. Now, considering that Yap Market is powered by KAITO data, upon onboarding on Yap, of course, with the same X account on Yap Market, of course, with the same X account as that which you've used on KAITO, it will analyze your account, factoring its performance, its KAITO performance, and then establish your base rewards when you participate in Yap opportunities. So it will tell you, oh, this is how much KAITO you will be earning when you participate, for example, in this basis uh, Yap opportunity. And then when you participate in this campaign, where approved, you'll be earning KAITO. Of course, you want to earn KAITO because it's a valuable token. By earning KAITO and then staking your KAITO using this portal, you would position for many airdrops. In fact, there is a dedicated series of projects in the eco portal on KAITO that are going to be giving airdrops to KAITO stakers. So that's where Yap Market, comes in. Earn your KAITO, then stake it for the prospect of multiple airdrops. Okay, so let's get started with this. We want to give you an overview of what Basis OS is. I mean, this video will also enable you participate in this campaign. It will give you a basis for participating in this campaign, and let's end the video thereafter. So where do we start? So here it says Basis OS is a protocol launched on the virtual Genesis and is currently one of the top gainers, gaining significant attention among DeFi agents on Cookie.fun. The team is developing the first autonomous DeFi protocol, engineered to automatically identify the most profitable on-chain yield routes. It begins with Basis trading vaults and Hyperliquid. So the campaign overview here is yap about our Mindshare mining program and Basis OS thread format only. So they want you to submit a thread. Take note of that. Then you have some resources here. Okay. I think I've joined this already. I don't know why it's. So let me join. So that's how you join. Now that there are still rewards available to be earned, you join. Then you have to submit your contribution before this timer elapses. Okay. So let's go to Basis very quickly to gain an understanding of what it is. I use Basis, by the way, so it's easy for me to yap about it. Here it shows autonomous DeFi protocol for agentic economy. So basically, it's an AI powered project. Okay. Basically, at the moment, what the AI agent by Basis OS does is it performs basis trading strategies on your behalf. Now, how does it do that? It offers a vault wherein you can deposit your funds. So if we go to the application, all you need to do is basically deposit into the vault here. So just to gather data, you will see I deposited into this vault USDC wrapped BTC, $15. I also deposited into this vault USDC paired against Link, $20. Both strategies used by the agent is Basis trading. Now, basis trading is an effective strategy for in DeFi, that uh, manages to perform well. So the logic of it, I don't want to dive into it. It's a bit technical, but it has to do with buying spot, then hedging against it by shorting the same asset using a perp dex like hyperliquid, something like that. I don't want to make this video so technical so that it's not complicated. But that's where the abstraction that Basis OS provides comes in. You don't need to know about the technicality. All you need is deposit into the vault and it will do the trading on its own. Then from the revenue, the it will distribute it to the end user as yield. So basically, it performs basis trading and distributes the revenue as yield, and it has been able to maintain over the course of around 90 days, it has been able to maintain this yield, showing that it has been profitable. So as an agent, it manages everything, the rebalancing, something you cannot do as a human, having to monitor your positions and ensure they are not getting liquidated and rebalanced as needed. The agent does that. It also comes with a Twitter account. This Twitter account is managed by the agent and highlights, its next action, how it's performing. So you can also interact with this agent, by the way. If you mention it and ask questions about anything related to Web3, it has the answers basically. Okay. So that's that about the the vault you are depositing into is powered by logarithm phi. Okay, so that's that with that aspect of basis OS. But there is more. Just a moment. You will notice that the yield declared at the top here is actually 433%. So this is what attracts people to deposit into the vault. But the base yield coming directly from basis trading is 11%. That is because the total yield offered is also inclusive of a BIOS airdrop. So by participating here, you'll also be earning some BIOS rewards, which constitutes the larger bulk of the yield. Let's see if I can find. So you see here APR, the base APY is just 11.80%, but rewards APR, which is paid out in basis token. No, not basis token, BIOS. The name of the token is BIOS, is 421%. So the overall yield you'll be earning is that high. Now, basis is a solid token. It was born out of virtuals. It's one of the dominant sentient agents on virtuals as we speak. So if we come here, you'll see basis is ranked top 4. The FDV is 29 million. So it has continued to fare well over time. And earning an airdrop of this on top of your base APY, I think that's a solid value proposition. But there's another way to earn the basis airdrop, which is the integrity of this video, which is mindshare mining. Now, this is powered by KAITO to some extent. So they get your YAP score when you onboard here with your X account. The first thing is get your YAP score. So your YAP influence score based on KAITO YAP's protocol during a 30-day period. Then you get a consistency streak that comes when you start posting about Basis OS on X. To post about Basis OS on X, all you need to do is either mention the official account of Basis OS, which we showed earlier, or the BIOS token. So hashtag BIOS, that also works. You add that to your organic tweet about Basis. Then you will start mining rewards. You will see the top person here has 1.2 million basis about to be earned. This campaign is running till July 29th. Now, if you go to virtuals and let's say you want to see the valuation of 1.2 million, okay, so this is around 35,000, you know, for the topmost person. Okay, so uh consistency streak is on a per weekly basis. If you are meant able to at least talk about basis once per week, you will be getting a 25% boost. Okay, author bonus, get 9x points on your first mention, 3x on your second, uses standard. Then after that, it becomes 1x. So when you are just starting, you are welcomed with a bonus. And again, yes, so for the most part, that's all you need to do. There's a questionnaire here showing, a further breakdown of the exact dynamics of this. But for the most part, based on my own experiment, I'm ranked 131. It's mostly about posting organically. They have a way of filtering you out if you repeat content and all that. So it has to be as organic as can be per instance, and you'll be able to see your progress here. So I have 0 mentioned this week. Even though I've posted about it, it's not picking it up. Maybe it feels I'm repeating or so, which I'm not. My content is mostly videos, so it may not be able to read that perfectly. Okay, so you get the gist of this. Now, with this video, you will be able to participate in this campaign effectively. So, go ahead and join before the slots here are all taken, and make sure you stick to the timeline here because you will not be able to enter again into this campaign if you don't submit on time. Now, on Yap, for Yap opportunities, there are other Yap opportunities here. Even where they are full, they become available again, assuming a Yapper doesn't submit an entry. Then a slot becomes available again. Let's end the video here. I think we've covered enough for this video. To conclude, visit airdropc.com and submit your email to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop opportunities. Each will have its own publication tutorial coming soonest, which I'll be sending out to subscribers. So submit your email here. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.